Hey guys, today I want to show you how one of my favorite Notion experts, Easlo, is using HelpKit, a tool that turns Notion pages into a professional help center, to massively reduce his customer support requests so he can focus on what he's doing the best, which is creating amazing Notion templates. So if you don't know who Easlo is a certified Notion expert, and he's mostly known for making like this amazing like Notion productivity templates. And Easlo is very famous in the Notion community by just sharing a bunch of like tips and tricks around Notion. And as you can see, a lot of people know that he's sharing a lot of great stuff. But the problem is that over time, Easlo realized that he essentially is sort of drowning in a lot of customer requests. So he thought about creating a self-service help center so his customers can actually go there and browse and find answers to their questions themselves. And he actually turned to HelpKit. So if we take a closer look, in his footer, he's linking to his help center, and essentially how his help center looks like is this. So this is the help center, and he's explaining his customers here a little bit about the basics of how you can download a Notion template, or also hear about the template features. For example, here he's talking about how to create a recurring task in Notion, which is a very hard thing. I actually just learned this the other day. And the cool thing about this is that the content that you see here is not written in like any other like editor, but it's actually written in Notion. So if I give you like a little peek behind the scenes, actually how this help center looks like is it's just a simple Notion database here. And these are the Notion help articles that he has written. If we go into the recurring task here, we can see it's just a simple Notion database item. And here's the content that then gets exposed to HelpKit as a professional website. And if we go back, the reason why Easlo really loves HelpKit is because a couple of reasons. The first one that he really likes is how customizable it is. You can see he used a lot of just his own branding. He loves the color black to just make it look like on brand. And the other thing that he was talking about is that it's just way faster for him to write the content in Notion and then just use HelpKit to serve it as a professional help center rather than using any other tool, which would just slow down his entire process. He's running everything in Notion already. You might be as well. And HelpKit just seemed like a great choice for him to do this. And I just want to quickly also end with one tip that Easlo was talking about in terms of like a customer success tip. And he talks a lot about that you should build your product with clarity in mind. So users require minimal clarification, and that you write self-serving answers in tutorials that are very easy to find. So if you happen to have a product and customers have a lot of questions, make sure it's very easy to find your help center, put it in the footer, or even better, you can also use HelpKit's built-in embeddable widget, which makes it even easier for your customers to find answers. If you take a look here, you can see here the embeddable HelpKit widget on our own site, and this will make it even easier to find answers right in the context of your own product. So that's it. If you want to learn more, you can go to our case study here under resources and HelpKit case studies, and find a bunch of other case studies as well from amazing customers, and read in depth our interview with Easlo. If you have any questions, just reach out. More than happy to help you. And in case you don't know, you can get started for free with HelpKit. Just go to our landing page, helpkit.so, and give the free trial a try.